Welcome to CCNA, your journey into computer networking. And have you ever wondered how computers, smartphones, and servers communicate across the world in just seconds? The answer lies in computer networking, and one of the best ways to master it is through the Cisco Certified Network Associate, which is the CCNA certification. Then talking of CCNA is one of the world's most respected networking certifications. It provides a strong foundation in networking concepts and also teaches you how to build, configure, secure, troubleshoot, and also manage modern computer networks. Whether you are a beginner, an aspiring network engineer, or an IT professional looking for or to expand your skills, CCNA is the perfect place to start. Throughout this series, we will explore networking step by step using clear explanation, practical examples, and also real-world scenarios. You will learn topics such as the IP addressing, subnetting, routers, switches, VLANs, routing protocols, network security, wireless networking, automation, and also troubleshooting. And by the end of this journey, you will also not only understand how networks work, but also develop the practical skills needed to prepare for the CCNA exams and also build a successful career in networking. The journey continues in the next chapter. Stay tuned. In my recent video, we talked about the journey into computer networking, CCNA, which is the Cisco Certified Network Associate. And I want us to have a deeply dive into it. In CCNA, there is something we normally call OSPF, which is the Open Shortest Path First. OSPF is a dynamic routing protocol normally used by routers to automatically learn and also share routes within a network. Let's take some simple explanation. Imagine there are multiple routes from Accra to Kumasi. OSPF normally helps routers find the best and also fastest path for data to travel. Instead of manually telling every router where to send traffic, OSPF automatically discovers routes and also updates them when the network changes. How OSPF works? Routers discover neighboring OSP routers. They also exchange information about the networks they know. Each router builds a map of the network. OSPF calculates the best path using the shortest path first algorithm, which is developed by Hedska W. Dijkstra. Traffic is sent through the lowest cost path. Then we also have the BGP. BGP is also Border Gateway Protocol, and it is a dynamic routing protocol normally used to exchange routing information between different organizations, companies, and also internet service providers. Simple explanation. Think of the internet as a huge network of countries which is connected by roads. Let's take, for instance, the OSPF. OSPF helps find routes inside one country. BGP also finds routes between countries, between two different countries. That's why BGP is often called a protocol that runs the internet. Then we also have the MPLS, which is multi-protocol label switching. And this is also a technique that directs data from one end to the other side, speeding up the flow of traffic. Talking of MPLS, MPLS is a high-performance packet forwarding technology used in a service provider and also large enterprise networks. And in a traditional IP network, every router examines the destination IP addresses and also performs a routing table lookup. This can be slower and less flexible. Talking of MPLS, MPLS speeds up forwarding by attaching a short label to a packet. Router also forward the packet based on the label instead of repeatedly checking the IP header. And we also have VLAN. Then talking of VLAN, VLAN is Virtual Local Area Network. And it is a network which is also segmented into two isolated logical groups. One is improving security and two, reducing broadcast domain. For instance, imagine a school with a large hall full of students. If someone shouts, everyone hears it. It becomes noisy and difficult to manage. VLAN, which is Virtual Local Area Network, is like placing walls inside that hall to create a separate classrooms. Even though everyone is in the same building, each group is also separated and only communicate with members of its own VLAN. It's your favorite tech man, Hesman Michael Kojo, goes by the name Tech Savvy. I am information technology professional, a network engineer with the necessary skills to plan, implement, and also oversee the computer networks that support in-house voice, data, videos, and also wireless network services. I am also a Microsoft Certified System Engineer, now role-based certification. Don't forget to follow, like, and share for your colleagues to also benefit.